Hello guys, good evening and good morning Philippines. I just got done cleaning and preparing the boat for our weekend trip. We're gonna go to Mississippi River. I would like to show you what's inside our little boat. So we got a bed here for my husband and I, and a TV, and we have a mini refrigerator. Oops. Right here. And microwave. And we got some storage for this is we got storage and good water. There's 3 tanks of water underneath with 40 to 45 gallons each. So that's real good water. We won't be using river water to wash the dishes, which is very good. And there's this one is a carbon monoxide detector, which is very important. And here's the girls' bed. They have TV here too. They just wanna come in and watch TV after swimming. They can do that. And here it's got storage here too, and a little closet right here. We could put towels here, and there's for clothes right here. Oh, and this one is an inverter. Where's the light? There we go. This is an inverter. My husband installed a big battery, so we will always have electricity even when we're in the middle of the river, which is good. And here's we have a bathroom here. Little bathroom. Got the sink working. And shower using the good water, not the river water. Let's get some. And here is my favorite part, toilet that works. Pretty awesome. I really like that we have a toilet here that works. Now when we purchased this boat, it had a portable potty, but my husband replaced it with real toilet, which is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Ta-da! This boat is only for little people. This is not for tall people, which is perfect for us because we're little people. It's perfect for our little family. And the girls love their bed. Yep, my husband did a lot of work here. He did a great job with this boat. Yay, I'm so excited. We're so excited to go boating. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys for watching.